Disabling biometric login on your HSBC account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure without biometric access. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. Launch the HSBC mobile banking app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This is typically found in the profile or account section of the app. Step 3. Locate biometric login option. Look for the option related to biometric login or security settings. This may be labeled as biometric authentication or similar. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the biometric login, ensure that the changes are saved. You may receive a notification confirming that biometric access has been turned off. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login on your HSBC account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to HSBC customer support for assistance.